Good morning, grade 5s. I hope you are well and you're looking after yourselves, looking after your parents and your grandparents. Today's lesson is going to be a very short one. We are going to be investigating properties of nonmetals, and it is a practical lesson, and I know you enjoy practical lessons. Our aim for this investigation is that we want to find out about properties of nonmetals, and this is what you are going to need. Under your materials, I want you to find these materials in and around your house and place them in front of you. So I want you to find a cardboard, any kind of cardboard. I want you to find your school jersey, a plastic spoon, bath soap, and a glass. Okay, so these are the materials that I want you to find. So you can pause the video and go and find these materials and place them in front of you. Once you found these materials, then we're going to follow the following method. Okay? A few nonmetal objects have been placed in front of you, and I'm sure you've done that. Write the name of each object in the table below. On the next slide, you're going to find the table. Hold each object in your hand. Does it feel hot or cold? Does it feel rough or smooth? And then you write the information in your table. And then the next one, look at each object carefully. Is it shiny or dull? Can you describe its color? Okay, whether it's green or yellow or brown or whatever, but does it shine? Is it dull? All right, and then the next step is drop each object on the floor. Please do not drop the glass. All right, so instead of dropping the glass, you're going to tap the glass. So it's up to you what you're doing, whether you're dropping the objects onto the floor, with the exception of glass, of course, or you are tapping these objects. Okay, so you can either drop or you can tap the objects. What sound does it make? So when you drop the object, what sound is made? When you tap the object, what sound is made? Is it a dull sound? Is it a ringing sound? Okay, then the last part says write your observation in the table below. You may use words from the box below or your own words. So you can use the words that are provided to describe what is happening in your experiment, or you can use your own words. So I've got the words in this box here: shiny, dull, rough, smooth, ringing sound, dull sound, cold, warm, hot, heavy, light, soft, sharp, flexible, rigid. All these are describing words. Okay, so we are describing our nonmetals. Then you have a table at the bottom here, and this table says name of object. Remember, I gave you the names of the object. Let's go back to this slide. I said you must find cardboard, you must find a jersey, plastic spoon, bath soap, and glass. So those are the names of the objects that you're going to fill in here. And then how it feels to the touch. When you touch these objects, how do they feel? You're going to describe for me using these words or your own words. So describe how these feel, what the object looks like. What does it look like? Is it round? Is it green? Is it orange? So you're using your sense of sight here. Here we're using our sense of touch, and here now we're using our sense of sight. What sound is made when the object is dropped? So now we are using our sense of hearing. When you drop the object, what sound is produced. Is it sonorous? Is it ringing sound? Is it a dull sound? Is there no sound that's produced? So you work on that one and fill in that section. All right, then our final part is our conclusion. What have you discovered about the dial, about the properties of nonmetals? So here you are now looking at all these nonmetals that you have been dealing with, and then tell me what you've discovered about these. And then I have in brackets here, it's written clue. Use your senses to get your conclusion. So what can you tell me about the the non-metals? So you can use some of that. You can use information that you've gathered here to come up with a conclusion. That's our lesson for today. Have a great day. Goodbye.